In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the song Deathbed by Powfu featuring beabadoobee, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, this is Matt from You Can Uke, and every week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele. So don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a lesson, and consider checking out my Patreon page where I have a chord chart available for this tutorial. Alright, let's check out this song. So to play the song Deathbed, we need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. And if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Now there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are C major, C major 7, F major, and F minor. Let's check out those chords together now. So the first chord that we're going to learn is C major. To play that, just take your third finger and press down on the first string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. The next chord is C major 7. To play that, just take your second finger and press down on the first string of the 2nd fret. This is C major 7. The next chord is F major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, then take your second finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. And our last chord for the song is F minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 4th string of the 1st fret, take your second finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, then take your 4th finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is F minor. Next, we're going to learn the string pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, down, up, pause, up, down, up. Let's play that string pattern now on the C major chord. 1, 2, ready, C. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be C major for 8 beats, C major 7 for 8 beats, F major for 8 beats, and F minor for 8 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by bringing out each chord. 1, 2, C major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, C major 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, F major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, F minor, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, C again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, C major 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, F major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, F minor, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now let's apply the string pattern with that chord progression. 1, 2, 1, 2, C major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Deathbed. 1, 2, ready, go. I'm happy that you're here with me. I'm sorry if I tear up. When me and you were younger, you would always make me cheer up. Taking goofy videos and walking through the park, you would jump into my arms every time you heard a bark. Cuddle in your sheets, sing me sound asleep, and sneak out through your kitchen at exactly 1:03. Sundays went to church, on Mondays watched a movie. Soon you'll be alone, sorry that you have to lose me. Don't stay awake for too long and don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head and get you up and going out of bed. Don't stay awake for too long and don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head and get you up and going out of bed. And at the end of the song, we're going to ring out on the C major chord. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Deathbed. And that's how you play Deathbed by Powfu featuring beabadoobee. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for sponsoring this video, and to my friends at Soundbrenner for allowing me to showcase their awesome metronome watch. I'm going to leave links in the description box below so you can check out more of their products. Again, don't forget to subscribe and check out these other tutorials so you can keep practicing and keep playing, because you can